what they found is when they controlled for siblings, that number disappeared. So if you look here, they controlled for siblings. Siblings share the same genetics and often the same environment and the same parents. And what that translated to is that when you controlled for siblings, that 1.02 to 1.08 actually disappeared and just became across 1, which means that there isn't an increased risk in siblings. Same thing for ADHD. Here, when we look at the population level, it's 1.07, which is above 1, but when we account for siblings, it's across the 1. That means that 4 to 1.0, 1.02 means that it's not an increased risk, that the confidence interval shows that it is the same risk as the general population. And so when they talk about it, they then get into the weeds of sibling control analysis found no evidence that acetaminophen during pregnancies was associated with increased risk. Once we've taken into account these children were exposed to acetaminophen, but they also had siblings